Hello children, today I am going to teach a lesson from class 8 and the topic name is a letter to a friend. This is from first unit. So here is a letter which was written by Ramesh to Suresh. So actually Ramesh wanted to say apology to Suresh. Do you know the reason? Because in the last time Suresh went to Hyderabad to meet Ramesh. Actually Ramesh was well settled in Hyderabad. So here Suresh wanted to meet Ramesh. That's why he made a call to Ramesh. Yes, hello Ramesh, where are you? I want to meet you. But this time Ramesh had a meeting in his office. That's why he was unable to meet Suresh. So maybe my friend felt unhappy. That's why Ramesh wrote a letter to Suresh to say apology. Here actually what he mentioned in the letter. Ramesh wanted to remember his childhood days, how we lived before and how we are living now. So in those days, the people lived in big families, but today we don't see big families, we see only nuclear families. So in nuclear families we see only the mother and the father and their children. But in big family, we see grandparents, mother, father, uncle, aunt, children. So we see more members in big families. But here, when Ramesh and Suresh lived in a village, what was the village name mentioned in the story? That was Madikonda village. When they lived together in a village which is called as Madikonda. So they were lived in a big families and they played more games. They played in moonlight. Moonlight means they played in the evening. And their grandma used to give biscuits to Ramesh and Suresh. And even their grandfather, he used to tell such stories, such tales about princess, forts. They felt very happy to stay with the grandparents. They felt very happy to live even in such a village environment. That's why they felt very happy to live in the village. But now, what is happening? After completing of my education, then I got a job in Microsoft company. Where was the Microsoft company here? It was in Hyderabad. And I am a computer programmer. And my wife, who is working in Dell company as a system analyst. So here, me and my wife both are employees. And we had a child. So here in the morning we are very busy to prepare something. In the morning we are very busy to prepare something. We need to finish our breakfast. We need to prepare our lunch. And in the morning we need to drop our child in the local baby care center. And in the evening we came back with our child with faded faces. Do you know what is the meaning of faded faces? I mean, it looks very pale because when they get tired, automatically they look pale. So because do you know what is the reason? Because again they need to prepare for dinner. That's why they did not like their present life. Because what are they doing now? They work with the computer. Because they don't have any time even to talk with his wife. Even he doesn't have time to talk with his parents. which were living in the village, because the reason is he forgotten all his family members. This was going on nowadays, but he liked the village atmosphere. He liked the village condition, because when he was a child, he played so many games. For example, Gilli Danda, hide and seek, such games he played. While he was playing such games, he felt very happy. And normally, they went to swimming in the local tanks. They felt very happy to swim even in water. But now we are living in the apartment, and my son, who was always sitting in front of the computer, and he was playing with the computer, because it is just like a well for a frog, because we don't have any communication with others, because we feel very unhappy to live in Hyderabad. Then last time when our uncle came, so my aunt brought a new dress for me, and during festivals, Dasara, Deepavali, during these festivals, they brought some crackers. So we love to burn crackers, because it was really memorable days to us. But nowadays, my child doesn't know who is uncle, who is aunt, because all our neighbors comes under uncle and aunt. That's it to him. But really, those were really memorable days. Where were the days? Where are the garden? Where were the tales? So everything we forgot, because now we are living in the unreal world. So he felt very unhappy to write a letter to his friend Suresh. But again, what he mentioned in the letter, but next time if you come, please meet me. If you meet me, again we will remember our golden days, because today I feel very unhappy, but in the past I felt very happy to stay in the village. With this, the lesson was completed. Thank you.